It was 1965 in Phoenix, Arizona, when Cavco founder Al Gelfi decided to help the customers of a man who built truck campers at Al's father's lumberyard. The man couldn't fill the orders, so Al decided he'd build the campers, even though he'd never built one before. As it turned out, Al could build truck campers, and good ones. Then the campers caught the eye of a gifted salesman who said, "You build me 10 campers, I'll sell them." So Al spent $2,000 of his hard-earned money to purchase materials to build the campers. As the salesman towed them from site, Al's wife Jan said, "Well, there goes $2,000 we'll never see again." The salesman sold every one of Al's campers, and Cavco was born. It's a great American success story, 160 years in the making. Cavco was initially called Roadrunner Manufacturing, but changed the name to Cavalier Company in 1966. Cavalier steadily grew during the rest of the 1960s and in the early 1970s. But in 1973, the gas shortage forced Al to reinvent his already successful company. He met the gas shortage head-on, decided to produce only mobile homes, no gas required. It was a brilliant move, and also when Cavalier Company was rebranded to its current name, Cavco. Cavco continued to flourish and broadened its market by producing manufactured homes, which HUD began regulating in 1976 after Congress passed the National Manufactured Housing Construction and Safety Standards Act. Cavco's revenue quadrupled in the last 4 years in the 1970s. It was a great way to end a successful decade and the perfect way to usher in a new one. The U.S. economy was strong throughout the 1980s, and so was Cavco's bottom line. At the end of the decade, in 1988, Cavco began building park model RVs, which are examples of Cavco's creative use of space and design expertise. Regulations specify that park model RVs must be under 400 square feet, but Cavco's feel much larger. They include all the amenities of high-end luxury travel models. In 1996, Centex Corporation decided to venture into the world of manufactured and modular home building. The company knew its best chance at success was to partner with Cavco, now widely known as a premier builder of manufactured and modular homes in the country. Just 7 years later, Centex exited the manufactured housing industry, and Cavco was once again an independent company, now listed on the NASDAQ. Since then, Cavco's market cap has grown 6,400%. Cavco's success and financial strength led to what many call the company's acquisition era, which began in 2009 and continues to this day. The first acquisition was of California-based Fleetwood Homes, one of the largest builders of manufactured homes in the country. Next came Palm Harbor Homes, which included nationwide homes, 5 manufacturing plants, and 25 retail locations. The acquisition also included Standard Casualty Company and Country Place Mortgage. It represented Cavco's entry into the home insurance and mortgage lending markets. Over the years, Cavco has hand-picked and acquired leading manufactured and modular home builders from across the country. This includes Chariot Eagle Homes, Fairmont Homes, Friendship Homes, Destiny Homes, Colony Homes, Solitaire Homes, and Commodore Homes, which included its brands Penwest Homes, Manorwood Homes, R&L Homes, and Mid-Country Homes. Cavco continues to grow our retail footprint. By the end of 2024, Cavco had grown to almost 80 retail locations, all so we can help customers find their perfect Cavco home and faster. Cavco named Bill Bohr as its third president and CEO. Didn't take long for Cavco team members in the industry to learn how much Bill cared about more than just growing the company's bottom line. He wanted to build an organization that valued its team members and helped them further their careers. Through his One Cavco cultural initiative, Bill created a supportive and optimal work environment. One Cavco includes defined principles that empower employees and foster a creative and collaborative work environment. In 2023, Bill implemented a unique initiative called Homes for Our Own, which closely aligns with the One Cavco principles. Homes for Our Own tackles the affordable housing crisis close to home. This unique program supports team members who would like to purchase their first home by providing financial education and matching funds. Team members who participate in Homes for Our Own gain a financial education that serves them throughout their lives. Another creative and effective way Cavco helps team members prepare for their professional future is through Master of Craft. It's a training and educational roadmap for frontline workers. Master of Craft helps team members achieve job growth, gain additional skill sets, earn promotions, and enjoy long-term success at Cavco. In fact, Master of Craft received Training Magazine's Apex Award, presented to the top corporations worldwide that have set the benchmark for employee training and development. In 2021, the Safety Now initiative was implemented because Cavco believes it has a moral and ethical obligation to keep workers safe. Safety Now includes e-learning safety training and regular safety audits that review operator knowledge, including the conditions of all equipment used in the home building process. Since the implementation of Safety Now, Cavco's total recordable injury rate has been reduced by 50%. In addition to Safety Now, Cavco has added new technologies and safety features at every manufacturing facility. This includes safer catwalks and mechanical lift and dolly systems and automated materials delivery systems. For 60 years, the word innovation has constantly been used to describe Cavco. In 2023, Cavco's innovation was on full display when it introduced the Anthem series, which are the first nationally available HUD-approved duplexes. The Anthem Duplex is the answer to what the federal and local governments have been asking for, a solution to help solve America's affordable housing crisis. The Anthem Duplexes are beautiful, affordable, and immediately double housing density on a single plot of land. In 2025, Cavco unified its 31 manufacturing plants under the Cavco name. Unifying the Cavco brand allowed the company to better define its products so customers can search for and find their perfect home, and faster. The brand unification is a result of Cavco's growth and unwavering commitment to help address America's affordable housing crisis. And it enables Cavco to continue the company's impressive growth while helping more families affordably purchase their dream home. In 2025, Cavco introduced a new tagline to further strengthen its brand, where exceptional meets affordable. In 4 words, the tagline resonates with customers and supports Cavco's commitment to providing the industry's most exceptional homes at affordable prices. One Cavco, homes for our own, Master of Craft, Safety Now, and Cavco's mission to end the affordable housing crisis are perfect examples why Forbes magazine has named Cavco as one of America's best mid-sized companies multiple times. In 2025, Cavco celebrated our 60th anniversary. We're committed to meeting the needs of customers who are looking for a home that is both affordable and beautiful. With thousands of employees nationwide, Cavco operates manufacturing plants and retail sales centers from coast to coast. We even deliver homes into Canada. Cavco's is a true American success story and an example of what happens when a company is committed to building exceptional and affordable homes. Here's to another 60 years of success.